we're on. Yeah, we're on. Wow, just left the boat ramp at Vicky Point where the barge pulls in. I think it's just like a solid brimbo. Big bream. Whoa, stonker bream. Jesus bloody Christ. Fuck, look at that. Absolute stonker. Oh Jesus, we are on! Finally! We got a fish on! Fish on! I don't know what it is though, it's fighting a bit weird. It's got like a kick to a brim to it, but it's got a bit of weight. We are fighting in the current though too, so we've got current. He might be going against the current. He's trying to go upstream. It's alright, whatever it is, it's alright. So I'm just fishing at face of Vicky Point here. And has to be a bream. Feels like a bream. Been a couple of big ones around today. There you go. It's not huge. Got some weight to them today. They're a bit fat. We might get the camp. Hey, not bad. He's got some teeth on him, this fella. Look at that, there we go. On the motor green 3-inch minnow. I got a heavier jig head on today. Look at the teeth on this thing. He's got some walloping teeth. It's just the way I've hooked him, it's sort of pulled his lip up, exposed his teeth. There you go, just these little things. They work great around here. I've been trying a couple other different lures and things like that, but these always seem to be the go. So, there we go. Second one for the day. Not bad. Good fun. Getting back in the water. Away he goes. So basically, here we are. So we got Vicky Point boat ramp over there. Well, I'll just got to turn this camera around. So we've got the Vicky Point boat ramp over there, the one with the pontoon, and I'm just fishing just over at Coochie here, just here. So basically, what we got is we got this sandbank that sort of does this S-bend type thing off the tail end of Coochie here. And just in there, you got a bit of rocky reef shallow rocky reef area that sort of sweeps around, curves around and joins up to this sandbank. And on the outgoing tide, everything sort of flushes off and there's a little drop off here as well. But the bream sort of seem to hold on the shallower side, and then like the flatties seem to hold on this side. So it's like a really good area to target. It's been a bit slow here the last 2 weeks, but yeah, it's still fun. So I might go back up there and work that area. I might just do a drift and cast this time and see if we can have some more luck with landing another brimbo. Well, you got a fish on. Once again, just trolling lures and plastics at the front of Coochie here. It's blowing southwest. Oh, sorry, it's blowing northwest, and it's a bit of a trying day with weed. But there's been some good bream around. I'm actually chasing flatties, and I'm just landing bream. So we've just got this little fella here, which. Hey, oh me bloody. My net's hooked up on my tripod. How frustrating is that? Anyway, such is life. I've hooked this, foul hooked this thing, and it's making it a bit trying to get him in the net. But yeah, we got there eventually. So, oh, what a mess. Let's see. What? He's gone. Yep. So anyway, I'll just get that lure back up. It's that little fish craft, little green crankbait. The trebles are a bit, bit how you going. Just had a bit of a workout, but they're an awesome little lure. I love these things, so I've sort of been sticking with these. These have been my favourite go-to crankbaits for like bream and flathead. They've got good weight in them, so they cast really, really nice, especially in the wind. They still cast well in the wind too. And you can get these in like a deep diving minnow as well. So yeah, they're a good lure. Really, really good lure, and they're cheap as chips too. They're only like 13 or 14 bucks or something. So it's been a bit of odd time. Like normally you don't get sort of half decent bream this time of year, but for some reason they're around today. They haven't been around for like 6 weeks, but today they're around. Oh, get going again. Have another crack. Hey, there we go. That's a bit better. I think I'm gonna get, oh God. want to keep this motor going forwards because I don't want to get tangled up. And I've got a big clump of weed on that one. I might just put that down and away. And we can turn it off and play this fish. Oh, he's engulfed that. Absolutely engulfed it. Yeah. Whoop. Another bream boy. Yeah, he's not real big, but yeah, he's put up a good fight. That's that 3-inch minnow, white oil green Z-Man. These newer ones, like they've got a new Z, or I don't know if there's a new Z-Man in it or anything like this, but they've got these like wiggly tails on them, and these are a 2.5-inch grub, sorry. But I find with these things that they really sort of stick onto the jig heads a lot better, like not like the other ones that they had there. So, and they got a really nice action to them too. So they kind of got this sort of cut tails here like this on the end of them, and the plastic itself seems to be like a lot softer but more durable. So I don't know what they're doing here, but you know, I like this. This has sort of been a really good soft plastic. I really enjoy using these. So I only just got these the other day, but they've got a super good action in them. Like, they look so good in the water. So try them out, they're really good. If you're fishing like Vicky Point, Coochie, Redlands area, they're really good. They work really well around here. So, go for another troll. Christ! Whoa! 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 What have we got here? is solid. Absolutely solid. No way. Dude, that is a stonker bream. Absolute stonker bream. Wow. That's so cool. He was peeling some line. Here we go. Time to, oh, let's see if we can get him in. Come on, big fella. There we go. That thing is beefy. Absolutely beefy. I don't have any other words for it. It's got some nice colours too. Absolutely beautiful fish. I did actually come out here chasing bream today. It's not even really bream season. But there's some solid brimbos around here today. Now I've got to try and bloody get him out of this net without getting... Wait. Down for a sec. Solid bream. Look at that. That is a nice bream. He's about 33. So he's not huge, but yeah. Nice brimbo. That's a real healthy fish too. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Get it back in the water.